No more customer details across spreadsheets or paper files. With BuiltToClean Manager, keep prospect follow-ups, customer records, and service location info all in one place. From first contact to ongoing relationships, everything stays organized. Just go here to add a customer, fill in their details, and save. Each customer profile holds routine services and task schedules, like inspections, floor service, and window cleaning. Just add the task and set reminders. Track all client check-ins effortlessly. Create a schedule for routine check-ins with customers to review satisfaction, concerns, and upcoming needs. Track issues and set follow-ups easily. Know what happened and when to follow up, keeping everything under control. And all kept in one place. Including all building estimates, every one created is saved in the customer profile. You can also upload documents, like pictures and building floor plans. Everything needed for customer files is stored efficiently. Manage and track all prospects. Easily add new prospects, input their details, and save them. Moving them to the next stage? Just update their status with a simple action. Set reminders for the next contact, ensuring no follow-up is missed. Need to update multiple prospects at once? Select Contact Type and mark them as completed, moving them to the next sales stage. Customer and sales outreach are just some features of BuiltToClean Manager, designed by a commercial cleaning company with over 16 years of industry experience. Try our 14-day free trial at BuiltToClean.com and get started today with BuiltToClean Manager.